Hey, so guys, we're back with another video, and we are changing up the G again. I'm trying to get this vehicle all cleaned up, the interior redone over the course of this fall and winter. Like, the steering wheel is filthy, these pillars need to be redone. We did redo the headliner, we just got to get all the black accents, and I got to redo this because it's off track. So slowly redo the door panels, everything like that, get new seats, etc. But we're on the way home right now. I just came from buying tools so I can take out the two bolts on the side of the steering wheel. I don't know what happened to the last one, but we will continue this once we get home. Here's a small pull, not even pull, but just sound clip of the G. I'm telling you, that never gets old. Mainly the turbo. It's just so loud. Vehicle looking dusty. It's just so dirty from sitting. But the package has come in. It's right here in this box. I'm so ready to get this done. The new steering wheel looks sick. And this is just so dirty. Look at it. Just sitting out in the sun. I mean, it's the original steering wheel, so what you expect. Let's open this package. See how the new one look. I wanted to keep it simple, nothing crazy. How some people always do the, you know how people would do the carbon here and the carbon there with this. I just wanted something simple, black, red stitching, perforated leather, but it's just 10 times better than the other one. Then I'm about to get the black airbag, probably find one from a part out or something. But just look at them. This looks and feels so much better. Having the grooves and everything, so much better than this one. I need to get an alignment. My steering wheel don't even actually sit like this. It sits like that when driving. But I need to get someone that can align the front and the rear. Okay, now we got our T30, which you have to hit these two screws on the side, and then your airbag should come out. You want to keep this steering wheel as straight as possible too. You don't want to break your clock spring, plus you want to keep it aligned. Don't forget to disconnect your battery. Don't want your airbag blowing up in your face. Now that we got the two screws out, have them sitting right here. Airbag should just come right out, just like that. But you want to disconnect these two, and then you're going to hit this bolt right here. Since I need the steering wheel controls, I really don't, but I'm gonna need to move them over. I need to take out a couple more things. Okay, so we got the buttons off of this one. Basically, what I did was there were a screw that sits here, here, and one down here, which holds on. Let me take it off of the new one. This like little bracket cover piece. Once that comes out, you can hit the two screws, which the buttons are mounted to. Once you get those, everything can come off. I did take off a few other things. There was like a little bracket that went across here, which I took those two screws out as well. And I'm gonna just move over whatever seems fit to the new one. All right, so we're getting a lot of it reassembled. Those are the 3 screws I was speaking of. I took this little piece, put those 2 screws back in. Now this will go back over. And then you're gonna put these 2 screws in. This sits right there. And then you're pretty much just about done. The next thing to do is put it back on here. Make sure this hasn't moved, so you definitely wanna stay away from that. Put it back on there, bolt it back in, plug everything up, and then you're complete. Steering wheel's now in. Everything's put together. This is just so much better. I've been putting this off for a little while because I was trying to figure out another problem with the G, which I ended up finding out. It was dumb, but so much better. But you see how crooked my alignment is? I'm trying to find somebody who could adjust the front and the rear.